Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry, I'm already in the trade before I start the live stream. I saw opportunity, so I to make use of it. So just took this trade. I will explain to us what the trade is all about. I'm sorry, I'm already in the trade before I start the live stream. I saw opportunity. Yeah, yesterday I was looking at this trade on the 1 hour chat. I was not streaming yesterday, but I was still keeping my eyes on the chat, so I was looking at it on this 1 hour chat. I was waiting for it to give me this bullish candle right here, but I missed it when it gave it the bullish candle. It went down. I don't know what happened. Maybe I slept off or something. Something happened that I missed it. So I was hoping I'm gonna get opportunity to be able to take this demand back to the supply. But I missed the whole this whole swing. When I wake up this morning, I saw it. I was really mad at myself. I was even asking myself, how come I didn't even set a pending buy right here to be able to push it back up? Oh, well, I saw another opportunity like a V-shaped double top that was being formed in the supply. Yeah, double top is mostly a reversal candle pattern. So I took advantage of this. I entered the right here, and that's why that is my thought behind this setup that I took. So my stop loss is just a little bit um above the swing high that was here, and I'm targeting the low here, and I'm gonna have a challenge here. So, but I will see. This is my first TP, and the second one is under here. That's what I'm waiting for to occur. So that was the trade I saw the moment I tried to start the stream, and I saw the opportunity, so I took it. I need to alert the people. Uh, Let me go through the other ones and see if there will be any opportunity on any trade again. I'll start from there. Let me look at the 4 hours daily. see on the daily. This is the daily telling me right now. We're seeing an uptrend. There's a pullback. We're seeing an uptrend. Let's look at just a little bit of pullback, and it's trying to go back up again. Let's look at the 4 hour. Can see anything on the 4 hours, okay? 4 hour, we can see that is on a demand. On demand, this is the second test of the demand, and it's trying to pull back up again. So there's no any opportunity into this trade. Already missed this one, also this one. So let's go to the 1 hour. See anything on the 1 hour? No, it's gone far. Same thing. Let me look at the 30 minutes. Oh, this mouse, come on. At 30 minutes, I have a supply here. Possible there's gonna be a little bit of a reverse if this did not hold. If this hold, there's gonna be a reverse. But if it did not, then that means it's gonna shoot up. There's still fresh supply above it. So I have to wait to see if I can get opportunity to re-enter back up. If I could, if a gift to me, I will take it. See what I mean? It's pulling back, but we just have to wait and see how far this is gonna go. Just have to see how far it's gonna go. Yeah, if I'll be expecting the pullback, I'll be expecting the pullback to somewhere here. This should be looking left at the structure that was being broken. I'll be expecting somewhere here. And if you come more down into this one here, so I'll be looking at on 30 minutes if there will be a pullback. So I can get opportunity to enter and ride the train more up because on the daily it's still going up. Euro yen, Euro yen on the daily chart. What do we have here? Oh, we're seeing also an uptrend on the daily. Euro yen. So I'll be looking for opportunity to see. Let's see uptrend on the daily. Just pull back a little bit. Just leaving the supply to the demand, but back a little bit. 4 hour. Breaking the structure. Looking left. Let's go back to retest it. Okay. It's nothing for me. This one. No, the same thing. It's nothing. See, it's getting weak. The bias is stronger. Let's see if this gonna hold. To push more back then maybe 26. 26 might be an opportunity place for me. 30 minutes to take shots. 3 USD. Let's look at USD on the daily to see what's gonna happen with this. Say here. Yeah, it's an open. Okay. So what can I do with this daily? That can I do it? The daily is telling me it's high. And you already broke a structure. The structure here that'll be 2153, 2135. There's a structure there that'll be yep. It's a close this. So that is daily. That's I can see any opportunity on the 21, 35. 35 somewhere. Somewhere. That's it somewhere here. Very close to the supply. Very close to the supply. I'm looking for trend continuation this trade. If you can come up to this place. Let me let me shift it up a little bit. If you can come up to this place in between here, try to take the trade from here back to this low. Yeah, this will be my plan for this Euro USD. Wait for this to come up to this 2137, to this 2137, 2135. Try to take trend continuation back. My stop loss here above. Okay, stop loss like 21 7 187 for stop loss. 2187 is where my stop loss is gonna be. I'll try to keep my stop loss at 2187. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, good morning, Shagun. How you doing? I will keep my, like I said, I'll keep my stop loss by 2187. I'll look for trend continuation because looking at it, it's pulling down. See, I'll try to take the advantage down on this trade. It's just gonna be that. Yeah, that's just what I'll be looking for the euro yen. Just write it down. See, and just need to push more. I already said a lot. And let me look at GBP USD. Let's see what GBP USD has for us also. GBP USD. It's gonna be a nice trade. Okay, let's see what is it on the daily. What do we have here? We have a double top, and double top means the reversal. So that's what we'll see here. Double top, reverse, doji candle, weak for the buyer. So let me just go direct to move 1 hour. I don't want to stay too long. Looking at the 4 hours, same thing. Push up, trying to come back down. See the same double top on the 4 hour. Creating what? Supply. Sharp down from the supply. Rally base. Rally, maybe base is gonna come. And we'll get a rally back down. Let's see what the 1 hour is saying. Yeah. That is it. That is it. Almost identical as the Euro USD. But there's nothing I can do to this right now. I can buy on the 1 hour because the 1 hour is showing me sell and the daily is showing me buy. If I have to go along with the daily, then I have to like just wait for opportunity to buy. But if I said, okay, I can take this trade on 1 hour, if I see opportunity for sell, just take a little bit portion of it and come back now. Yeah. Looking at this broker structure here, down. If I can get this straight to push up a little bit to the side or in between here. Maybe somewhere here. Then I can take the trade. Same trend continuation. Here. Because looking at this, for it to climb this up, it's gonna take a while. So you may decide to come up here and want to reject. And from here decide to shoot back down. Anything is possible. So I have to keep my eyes on it. Anything is possible for this trade. Yep. Anything is possible. Let's look at the USD card. Here's the card. Let's look at the 1 hour. Sorry, the daily. Start from the daily. Yeah, it's still an uptrend. Okay. Like what I drew last week, still in there. Nice. It came into the structure. A little bit of to be able to take a short sell down. Daily is giving us sell. What is 1 hour giving us? That means we miss the whole move that comes down here. So we have to wait. I have to wait to see if you can push up a little bit, maybe come back into this base, then I can take a shot down. There's opportunity in the market. There's opportunity in the market right now, but it's all about waiting. Yeah, it's moving, but it's all about just waiting and watching. It's moving. I have to put this into consideration. He has now tested this demand that is here, so he left the supply base. See rally base rally, but he has not reached the demand that is here. So that is what I'll be looking at on the 1 hour USD card. Yeah. Use the chef. Yeah, that's what we need to look at. Yeah, same thing as USD card that we just look at. Yeah, it's the same thing. Looking at it, it's back into this supply that I draw here. Supply in a way, it's also like a double top, or I can even call it triple top. 1, 2, 3. So looking for a reversal, just a short back down. Let me see what the 4 hours is. See, 4 is already going. It's already going. And 1 hour. Wow, 1 hour is gone. 1 hour is gone. So don't even bother. Don't even bother. New Zealand USD. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, pretty uptrend. Not testing the demand and leaving the demand going back up. I believe we've been waiting for this for a couple of days now or weeks. Let me look at it on the 4 hour. Yep. Gonna see if we can see a little bit of pullback a little bit. This nice engulfing candle, but it will be too big to enter the trade. So I'll wait for a pullback a little bit down. Then I can take this trade. Because I've been waiting for it for weeks, I believe. Yeah. See, the candle are getting weaker and weaker. So I have to just wait for the pullback. So I can get an opportunity to take the long. back up. Yeah, that is this is Aussie New Zealand USD. Let's look at Aussie yen. Let's look at Aussie yen from the daily perspective. Same thing as you reach. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yes, it has reached, but it has gone up back. Rally base, rally left with a very sharp one up. But what happened? It came back and retest, but it's pushing back up. Yeah. Gonna wait for just a little bit of pullback. All I need is pullback. Just let it retrace a little bit. Yeah, to the structure being broken. So let's lead to one here. Yeah, this is what I'll be waiting for on this trade. Just try to see there will be much opportunity of this to go long. The week is just starting, so I don't need to rush it. The week is just starting. I don't need to rush it. Let's look at gold. Pretty gold. Gold on the daily. It's giving us a pin bar. I can also call it an armor. So what can we do with it? What can we do with it? We can see gold on the daily. There's this fresh demand here that he has not touched. But does he have the strength to push more back down? Let me look at something here. I want to see something. Shallow. Yeah, still an uptrend. Still an uptrend. Yeah, this long week. You might decide to go from here up on the daily. You might decide to go up, but remember, this is also like a rally, a little bit of base, and you can decide to shoot back down. So on the daily charts, I don't see anything, but let me look for. Excuse me. On the 4-hour chart, see rally base. Can reach this and pull back. I can see more potential on this trend. Yep. Looking up here or up here for short trade.
This is a wake-up call for Republicans. America elected Joe Biden.
Yeah. Crude oil. Crude oil. Hmm. This is gonna be. Yeah. That's why shooting back up. Find a little bit of resistance here. I mean, a little bit of support. And just like a demand. But the big one is still under here. So daily is uptrend. I'll be looking for buy if I on the crude oil. Anything on the 4 hour. Yep, you can see we found we found this demand here. If it could come down a little bit, just a little bit of pullback, not full pullback, just a little bit of it. Maybe back to this one. You can take the advantage to enter the trade and go up. But one thing about crude oil is it move like a plane. Like I said, one time you can just see just boom, just shoot up and keep slowing and again shoot up, keep slowing again shoot up. Yep. Let me look at it on 1 hour. See the supports, the demand you found on the 55. But there's this gap that you need to fill the way I'm looking at it. But how is you gonna fill the gap? You already left. Maybe I should go up and come back down and decide to go back up. See. Yeah, that's my thoughts on crude oil. Crude oil. Just look for a little bit of pullback to take the trade back up. Yeah, just waiting for the opportunity to present himself for the rest of the trade. Just only in one trade right now, and that is a euro yen. It's a waiting game, guys. It's a waiting game. opening my door and closing it. Just wait, waiting in, guys. On the Telegram, I'm gonna like post the trade of idea for today. I already talked about it. It's the Euro USD and the Euro Yen. I want you guys to just keep eyes on those two trade. I believe we can have a potential opportunity to short the trade. Looking at the Euro USD. Yeah, this thing is so slow, man. I think I'm gonna switch to trading view. Okay, let me just quickly use the trading view. Okay. Looking at the Euro USD, Wednesday. You see, this is my this is how I plan to take the trade on the Euro USD. You can see it's already on the demand zone here, but it's pushing back up. But I'm looking at it, if it cannot be able to go up and it's having a rejection from here, then I can take the trend continuation back down. I'm looking at, I'm just putting my stop loss down here. Then if I can be able to get an 8 in here, the first entry is here. This is my first TP, and this will be the second one. If just a trend continuation, you can see it's getting weaker here. Look, so I hope it can. I pray, and let me put it that way, that it push more up a little bit down to here. It can just, if it could take me in, then I'll be able to take the trade back down. It's all about waiting. I'm not chasing any trade. I want the trade to come to me, not for me to, not me chasing the trade. So this is my trade idea for the Euro USD and also GBP USD. Almost the same, I believe. Yeah, I'm waiting probably in here to come back to this line, because this was a break of structure. Here is here, looking left, break of structure. I'm waiting for it to come in here, and in case if it comes in here, I'm not taking the trade direct on this one, because I'm looking at the stop loss and the take profit. So I want it to come more into the supply, Sometimes he can just come in and with a long week and he can just shoot back down. That's what I'm looking. I'm waiting for. I'm trying to see how. You see, the candles are getting weaker. Look at this armor that is in me in here. See, so but I want it to come more up into this to the zone, the supply that is here, and I can be able to take it back down. That's my trade idea for this two trade. This two trade is what I'm keeping my eyes much on and to see what the outcome of this trade is gonna be. But I will send you guys more the details in the Telegram. Well, guys, I'm not gonna stay long with the streaming today. Like I said, just want to keep things short and simple. Um, just keep eyes on those trade, and we'll see how it goes, guys. On in the Telegram, like I said, I'll post you guys. I'll give you guys updates how it's going and let you guys know how far the trade goes. I just want to keep it more simple and not to stay long because if there's not much trading set up, I just don't want to keep the stream open without saying anything. So I'm gonna keep it more short. I already said show you guys my trade idea, what I'm looking at, and like I said, I plan my trade and I trade my plan. So either win or lose, I stick with my idea. Thanks guys for coming out to trade with me this morning. And guys, keep eyes on Ethan. If you have any questions, just drop it in the chat or any comment. I read everything and I will surely answer you guys' reply. If there's anything you see that is not going good, just let me know. And anything I need to change or I need to add to the stream, also just let me know. Thanks guys for everything. I really appreciate it. And probably I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. Same time, same place.